Five strangest defense mechanisms in nature. Number 5. Flying fish. There are many creatures with the power of flight, but this feature is generally not attributed to fish. Flying fish are able to jump out of the water and fly or glide for long distances. This is used as a defense mechanism to escape from predators. The flying fish has a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body which helps it gain enough energy to break through the surface of the water. To get out of the water, the fish swims at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. The fish's pectoral fins have evolved into large wings which allows the fish to become airborne. Once it is out of the water, it can fly for up to 200 meters, using its tail fin as a sort of propeller. In 2008 in Japan, a flying fish was observed gliding for a record 45 seconds. Number 4. Hagfish. The hagfish is an ancient organism that has existed for 300 million years and is the only animal with a skull and no vertebrae. When disturbed, it expels a disgusting, slimy substance at predators. As it mixes with water, the slime expands and there can be up to 20 liters produced. This creates a distraction as the attacker tries to get out of the mess. It also creates a knot in its body, and this, along with the slime, allows the hagfish to escape the clutches of a predator. The slime can choke fish as it accumulates in the gills. Number 3. Beetle. The potato beetle has developed a strange way to avoid being eaten by larger insects. The larvae cover themselves in their own feces. The dung is poisonous and the foul smell wards off predators. The beetle eats from the nightshade plant and it reuses the toxic substances produced by this and its feces. This defense is called a fecal shield. Feces is guided onto the beetle's backs through a series of muscle contractions in the abdomen, and over time, it forms the shield. Number 2. Boxer crab. When it detects a significant threat, the boxer crab will pack a powerful punch using sea anemones attached to its claws. They look like pom-poms, but they can be deadly to other sea creatures and they have a strong sting. The crab waves his claws around when disturbed, to ward off danger. There is a mutual agreement with the two organisms as they both benefit from the arrangement. The boxer crab gains an awesome defense mechanism that would put most other animals to shame, and the anemone becomes mobile and is able to obtain more food. The crab also uses sponges and corals in place of the anemone. Number 1. Eurasian roller. Similar to the potato beetle, the Eurasian roller's offspring will cover themselves in their own body fluid to avoid becoming food for a hungry animal. This time, however, it is vomit that forms the shield. The vomit-covered baby birds look and smell horrible, so they are less likely to be eaten. The parents will smell the vomit too and they quickly fly back to the nest to ward off the threat, which is usually a bird of prey or snake. This is the only bird observed to use vomit as a form of communication.